Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to duplicate a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to copy the task structures, settings, and communication channels of an existing space. So today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to duplicate. For example, I want to duplicate this space, so simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you have opened the space, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. A new window will appear, and here, you can see all the space details. Now, since you wanted to duplicate this space, simply tap on this duplicate option. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can edit the details of the duplicated space. Once you are done editing, tap on this confirm option to finally duplicate the space. After that, you now have successfully duplicated a space on ClickUp. You can now use your replicated tasks and project structures. There you go. If you wanted to know how to duplicate a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to duplicate a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.